everyone, this is Brenda's Desserts from around the world. Today's destination is France. I'll be trying the recipe for creme brulee. So let's get started. Now to start our creme brulee, I got my saucepan ready. I'm going to put on medium-low heat. Then I have 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm going to have a vanilla bean, cut it open, I split my vanilla bean in half and I just want to take out the seeds. Now you want to put it in your heavy cream. Also, you want to put the rest of the bean inside with the heavy cream. Stir it up. Once your heavy cream vanilla bean mixture starts to simmer, you want to take it off the heat and strain it. Heavy cream mixture off to the side. I'm going to get my yolks ready. So you're going to need 6 egg yolks. Now I got my 6 egg yolks. I have half a cup of sugar, so pour that in. You want to mix the yolks with the sugar. So once your egg yolks and sugar is all mixed up, you want to add your heavy cream mixture very slowly. Now it's time to fill our cups with the mixture. Now if you have bubbles, you can always use a paper towel to pop them. Now I only have enough mixture to make 5, so now I'm gonna get hot water. And I just want to fill only halfway of the cup. Now it's ready for the oven. I have my oven preheated already to 300 Fahrenheit, and this might take 25 to 40 minutes. So I just took out my creme brulee, and it only took like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna have them reach room temperature, then I'm gonna cover them and refrigerate overnight. Now it's the next day. My creme brulee been sitting in the refrigerator overnight. Now it's the fun part of torching the sugar on top. Now you want to add a tablespoon of sugar on top. And then once your sugar is on top, you want to get a torch and torch the top. So there you have it. I torched my sugar on top. Now it's time for the taste test. So you can see my sugar has become solid. You can actually hear it. Now my favorite part of creme brulee is cracking through that sugar. So you guys can have a closer view. So you can actually hear it. Now let's crack through it. This creme brulee came out so delicious. I just love creme brulee. It's one of my favorite desserts. So I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know how it went for you guys. It was so much fun making this recipe. Too easy. And the fun part is torching the sugar on top. See you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.